Hello everyone. In this video, I will just walk you through how you can use Nesscale ESS for your ERPNext instance. So there is some steps need to be done before you start using. So like either you are on Frappe Cloud or on your self-hosted environment, there is certain steps need to be done. So uh, so we have an open source GitHub for the backend app, which is you can check on this link, which is available even on Frappe Marketplace as well. So uh, so before you start using Nesscale ESS, you need to install your compatible version in your site. So for example, if you are in version 15, then you have to install version 15 in your site, and then you can, I mean, then you can use the Nesscale ESS app. So let me just walk you through like how it works. So let me go to the sign in. I don't have an account. I will go for the sign up, and I will say test registration. And there is one site where I already installed my backend app. I will just add here of my, sorry, this is the company website. That's all right. Anything you can add your company website, and you can choose your country. And if you are from India and there is a GST, if you have already GST number, then you can enable it. So you can enter your GST number and you will get a GST bill for that. And you can choose your hosting, self-hosted, Frappe Cloud. I will go for self-hosted, and this is the place where I have to enter my ERPNext URL. And if you can see, once I enter the right URL, I will get a message that the URL is valid. If it is wrong URL, like anything I will put behind that, then it will not allow me to enter that, and I can continue. After that, I can add a test. Okay, and I will continue, and I can set my password for our portal. So here I will just set one password for me. Okay, so state is required actually for the India. I will go for the Gujarat. Continue, and sign up. So yeah, my registration is completed. I can log in now. Let's say the same email ID I put there, I will use that to log in. And yeah, here it is. So by default, my free account will be activated. I can start my free trial. I can upgrade to premium as well from here itself. And there is some more things we have here, like transactions. You can manage your features, like which feature you want to use or which feature you don't want to use. You can hide and show that here. Then we have support, so you can create a ticket uh, for us, like bug support or any feature request. You can raise a ticket from here and our team will be back to you. And yeah, so when you say start free trial, it immediately start your free trial for the 30 days. And let's say there is an URL change later on for your ERPNext URL, then you can just go and change here. So after this registration, if there is like your, here we have some informations comes like your backend. In the backend, if the ERPNext backend app is not installed, then that message will be appear here like your backend app is not installed. So make sure you install that first and then register with us, so it works well for you. And here also, I think for the Frappe Cloud, it's just one click installation. So you just go to the marketplace and install in your site. But yeah, make sure you have private bench. It is like currently our app is not available for the public bench. It is only for the private bench. So yeah, I think that is all for the installations and start using the ERPNext with our Nesscale ESS app. So yeah, thank you guys.